Hi guys, welcome to Introduction to Image Making. This class is probably going to be a little bit tougher to do online, so I'm going to share some theory with you, but when you come back to class, we will put this into practice. So let's talk about the purpose of this course. We're going to learn how to make images in different ways. We're going to learn how to combine images with words. And first, the course is going to start off kind of exploring and experimenting with different styles and methods. And then at the end, we're going to be making a booklet of all of our work. So, how are images recorded inside of our brain? Our eyes take a picture of light and it delivers a message to our brain. Color, shape, size, position are all sorted out at lightning speed. Our brains are also able to interpret images based on our personal experience. So things that we've seen before, our brain automatically registers that faster if we already have a previous personal experience. Okay, so let's talk about connotation. You guys remember from first semester, connotation is the feeling that we get when we see an image. So an image may look like a real life object, but it may not. It may communicate or convey information or stand in for an idea or a thought. It may have a personal meaning. It may have a political or religious meaning. So here we have some different pictures of giraffes. One looks like a giraffe, but here we take the idea of a ladder and we take that ladder and we stretch out the neck to make us think giraffe. An image may just be purely decorative. Sometimes there's no meaning. We just think it looks pretty and we like to have it in a picture. If little light falls on an image, do we still perceive the colors or do the colors just disappear? Let's talk about response. We formulate an initial response when we see an image. A response to the image itself, to the subject, or we might infer something expressive from the way the image was made. Images can be 3D, abstract, flattened, distorted, or just a shorthand notation, like we saw the ladder in the giraffe. So it's when we look at these images of this word experiments, and we see how all of these letters and shapes are formed in different ways, what do we think? What does experiment means? When we see this man and he has this hand sticking out of his head and he has all of these different arms, what is the image trying to tell us? We formulate our initial response very quickly. I want you guys to take a look at these and decide for yourself, what do you think these images mean? Perception. So once we release an image into the world, we cannot control how others understand it. Same way as you have an understanding in your brain what this image here means, but is that what the artist meant to say with their work? Once you show someone, it's up to them. In graphic design, text and images are brought together, and it's the designer's job to adjust the relationship or proximity among the elements to release new perception or meaning. Words and pictures. Words and images together changes everything. Images may be used straightforwardly to illustrate or interpret text, to deliver information, or to make the words more clear. Placing text and images together creates associations. It can deliver messages or influence or promote an idea. Graphic design is powerful. Your job is to use your power wisely.